Hello everyone. In this episode, we will discuss how to handle a static filter in Power BI or how to use keep filter DAX function in Power BI. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So let me show you the data table first. So this is the sales data, and in this example we are going to use a region, and we also going to use a order quantity and sales date. Okay. So now let me go back, and here first I will create a one measure. So sum of order quantity. So right click here and I'll say new measure. And so here I will say total order quantity sum sales order quantity. Okay. Now I will add a one matrix visual here from Power BI Visual Gallery. And in the matrix visual, I will add a sales date, and I will remove a day and the quarter, and after that I will add a total order quantity in the value column. Okay, now I'll expand this so you can see here the year and month and total order quantity. Now I am also going to add a region here. So if I will expand here, now we can see here the year, month and region. And this is the total sales for the year. This is the total order quantity of year, and this is the total order quantity for month, and this is the order quantity for the region. So Europe and North America. Now, what we are going to do, I need a one more column where I need only the order quantity, total order quantity of Europe only in the another column. So let me add a one measure, and where I will add a static filter, and here I will say Europe, Europe. Let me make it a small. Europe order QTY, order quantity. And in the next line, I'll come to next line, and here I will use a calculate function, calculate, and I will directly call a total order quantity measure which we have created. And now I will use here I will add a filter. So I'll say cells region column equal to OP Europe bracket close. Okay, now bracket close for this, and now this will return actually total order quantity for Europe region, and I need a separate column for the Europe. So now I'll minimize this and I will add this to a value. So as you can see here, so this is the total order quantity of year, and here you can see that it is only everywhere you can see the region, Europe region order quantity 571, but the North America also it is showing the 571. For the Feb month also the Europe region order quantity 869, but for North America it is also showing the Europe order quantity. So how to eliminate this actually? So we have to remove the for the Europe order quantity for North America. We need a blank actually. So we'll modify the existing calculation, and I'll just click here. And here in the filter condition, we'll see add a keep filter, and here we will close the bracket. and just accept this measure. And now you will see here that it is showing the only order quantity for Europe. For North America, it is blank. Similarly, for the Feb month also, for Europe, there is order quantity and North America is blank. So this is the example of keep filter, and you can handle the static filter in Power BI using a keep filter function. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.